To transfer from Crypto.com to Uniswap, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to have an account on both Crypto.com and Uniswap. If you don't have an account, create one on both platforms. Start by logging into your Crypto.com account and clicking on the Account Balance section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Ethereum, and click on Withdraw. You will be asked to enter the recipient address, which is the address of your Uniswap wallet. To get the recipient address, log into your Uniswap account and click on the Wallet section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and click on Receive. You will see a long string of characters, which is the wallet address. Copy this address and paste it into the recipient address field on Crypto.com. Make sure to double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Also, ensure that the cryptocurrency you are transferring is supported by Uniswap. Once you have entered the recipient address, enter the amount you want to transfer and click on Withdraw. The transfer may take some time to complete, depending on the blockchain network. Once the transfer is complete, you can view your balance on Uniswap by clicking on the Wallet section. It is also important to note that there may be transfer fees associated with transferring from Crypto.com to Uniswap. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the blockchain network. Always check the fees before making a transfer to avoid any unexpected costs. Additionally, make sure to follow best practices for securing your accounts, such as enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. This will help to protect your accounts from unauthorized access and ensure a safe transfer. By following these steps, you can easily transfer from Crypto.com to Uniswap. Remember to always double-check the recipient address and to follow best practices for securing your accounts.